If you're a lover of a daiquiri, you need to keep watching and check out this nuclear daiquiri I'm about to make. Hey there, welcome back. Today I'm going to make the nuclear daiquiri. Sounds pretty cool, I think. I'm a massive fan of rum cocktails, and when I saw this one in a recipe book, I thought I'm definitely going to make a video on this. And I haven't tried this one. It's just another one that I just want to make it on camera and just see how it goes and what it tastes like. Now, it calls for an overproof rum. I don't have a really overproof rum, but I do have the Diplomatico Planas, which is at 47% ABV. I think that'll do the trick. It calls for 30 mils or 1 ounce. I really love this rum. Next up, yes, I know why it's nuclear, 20 mils or 2/3 of an ounce of green Chartreuse. Next up, 10 mils of some Falernum. I don't make my own Falernum, I'm pretty lazy. I just buy Monin Falernum, it's really nice too. 15 mils or 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice. And last but not least, it calls for 10 mils of just chilled water. Get some ice. Give it a good shake. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. So we're going to double strain it into a chilled martini or a coupette. If I can get this on properly. For the garnish, it just calls for a lime wedge. That is the nuclear daiquiri. Let's see what it tastes like. Okay. I think I may have found one of my favourite daiquiris. That's beautiful. That is really good. Okay, so I love green Chartreuse, but the green Chartreuse is not overpowering. I find a lot of customers are scared of Chartreuse because they're used to drinking what they have here in Australia called an ABC shot, which is Absinthe, Bacardi 151 and green Chartreuse, and it's sort of given it a little bit of a bad name, but that Falernum, that sweetness is coming through as well. The lime, it's a touch on the sweet side. I like that. Yeah, the plantation, that's a really good drink. I'm going to put that on a menu. It was created in 2005 at Lab Bar in London by Gorge. Now, sorry if I pronounced that right, wrong Gregor, but fantastic drink. Guys, if you like my videos, we hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm so happy, thank you. But please like, subscribe. Now we're going to aim for 2,000. And we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.